Chapter 3, The Algorithm of Persistence. In my century, we coded persistence into our suits. Here, you code it into your days. The algorithm is simple. Define a North Star, a single measurable target that matters. Write it where your eyes cannot ignore it. Build a minimum viable routine, the smallest daily actions that advance the target.
Non-zero this only.
Install friction against distraction. Remove apps, block sites, schedule deep work. Your attention is sacred. Use 1% upgrades. Micro improvements compound like interest.
Small hinges swing big doors.
Close the loop daily. Dashboard your wins and losses. If you can't measure it, you can't scale it. Think like an engineer, train like an athlete, execute like a leader. Persistence is not noisy. It is quiet, repeatable, boring even. But boredom is the surface pattern of mastery. Under the surface, your neural circuits are knitting armor. Your self-belief is turning from wish to warranty. And soon the world will call you lucky, while you know you simply refuse to stop.